Ooh, it's cold out here. So what do you do when it's cold in Kansas and get this little thin glaze of ice and you can't get out there and ice fish and you can't throw a jig out there because you're landing on a 1/4 inch of ice? Actually, I love winter. You can't put a boat in the water because the shallow water up by the boat ramp has 3 inches of ice, but 12 feet out there in the water's open. Yeah, it's a mess. To do this, ooh, nice. And of course, tinker in the shop. I do some of this.
Run! Ow, God!
After I'm tired of tinkering, start getting drowsy. White bass spawn. Clear blue skies are the worst days to fish, but not early in the spring. Look at this big mess we got here. Look at these tangles. Can we see this? Look at that. Shallow. This river here squeezes down into hardly nothing.
Speckled chartreuse twister here.
Doinking. Off the snag. White bass slammer jammer. Here we go. This river here squeezes down into hardly nothing, about 20 foot across. It can't be very deep. Look at all the brush jammed up in there. There's whole big trees, logs here on the bank, stick ups everywhere. We're gonna pick this apart and we're gonna fish it hard and see what we get. All right, here we go. First cast. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Give him some slack. Yeah. I gotta go get him. I can't lose the first fish. Hold on. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Bam! Story of my life. All right, I got snagged and broke off. That's gonna be how it goes here. I mean, look at this tangled mess. Yeah, I'm gonna lose about 100 jigs, catch 200 fish. Here we go. So one eye Willie. Good eye, bad eye. He probably lived to be 100. Ooh, ooh. Off the snag. Little dude. Okay, same brush jam, just moved up river here about 15 feet. Okay, this is my last speckled chartreuse twister here. Let's make good use of it. Here we go. Doinking them. I can't get a hold of him. He's still feisty. Foot off the bank. He's still full of fight. Sorry, buddy. I got you. Woo! Ooh! Nice. Springtime. White bass run. They are running. Last few fish been little males. Lets me know that it's early on, and these fish would like to even go further upriver if we get some rain, and they could lay their eggs on their spawning beds, which is a rocky floor to the river, to the creek. That's where they like to lay their eggs, in the rocks. But they don't have enough water to get that far up the river just yet, so they're hanging back down below, and deeper water. If you call this deeper water, it's probably 2 foot. Yeah, tearing them up. Same brush jam. It's right there.
Off the snag.
If you like white bass fishing, stay tuned. Have some fresh videos on it in about first week of April, maybe last week of March sometimes. So yeah, sit tight. We'll do something else between now and then. But yeah, you like white bass spawn? I do a few of those. All right. One big brush jam, whole bunch of fish, fished above it, below it, right on it, tore them up. Thanks for coming along. Hey, we'll see you at the next spot real soon. All right, later.